again a method for rectification. Doing so many mistakes, na? So naturally you have to rectify it. Profit distributed wrong ratio. Rectified it, then comes to know interest on capital missed out. Again rectified it. Again, one more thing, interest on drawings left to be recorded. See, sometimes we are having that kind of assertions also. So many mistakes. Tough to decide that how a normal 12th student person, a 12th standard student rather, can committed this kind of mistakes. How is it possible? Just and just due to one reason. Because they don't have that conceptual depth. At the same time, why they don't have that depth? Just because they didn't do proper practice at proper time. See, timely practice is very much required. Yes, if you don't do till say December or January, and then in the month of January or February you start working 15 hours, 18 hours a day, does not make a big change. Yes, every day you must revise, you must practice the proper thing, you must do proper practice. And so naturally the conceptual depth is there, and if conceptual depth is there, normally as a part of solution you are rectifying the errors, but practically you will not committing errors, so no need for rectification. Okay, let's continue with the third, and for this chapter I can say last method of rectification, that is when interest on drawings is left to be recorded. Now first of all, it is your third method, not the second one. Rectification of error, you can say. When interest on drawings is left to be recorded. Example question number 3, sub question 8. First of all, what is the simple part of this question? Let's go through the question first. Concentrate in my words, concentrate in question itself. See, everything is already given. Means no need for detailed calculation. Okay? The question is somewhat like that. Question number 8. Lata, Geeta and Pravina, 3 partners of a partnership firm. After distribution of profit of the year, it was realized that charging of interest on partners' drawings, respectively rupees 2700, 1200 and 1500, missed out. After preparing final accounts, they realized that interest on drawings 2700, 1200 and 1500 missed out. Write an entry for the rectification of error. Very simple. 3 partners, Lata, Geeta and Pravina. No P&L ratio given. And so, to start with the solution, P&L ratio 1:1:1. Our specialty as not given. Clarification. Okay. Interest on drawings 2700, 1200 and 1500 already given. Table showing rectification. No need for rate of interest or something like that, because the calculation is already there. The answer is already there of interest on drawings. Clear? Small table because calculation is not needed. Now what the thing you should understand over here? In last method, it was interest on capital over here. If interest on capital is there, it is an income for the partner and so an expense for the firm. Partner receives interest on capital from the firm. Listen the words carefully. If you follow the words properly, you will definitely have the concept very clearly. You will get the concept, okay? Partner receives interest on capital because partner is investing on capital from the firm. So for firm it is an expense they are paying. For partner it is an income they are receiving. Okay? If you understand this properly, then reverse of it, because capital and drawings always having inverse relation. Capital, that is partner is investing in the firm. Drawings, partner is withdrawing amount from the firm. Yes, exactly. And so when partner is withdrawing amount from the firm, partner has to pay. So for partner, it is an expense. For partner individually, it's an expense. What is it? Interest on drawings. When partner is paying to firm, if we are looking from the firm's perspective, obviously it is an income for the firm. Okay? So please do compare. At the end, do compare two methods. One, interest on capital missed out. That was question number 7. And interest on drawings. That is question number 8. Please do compare it. By comparing these two, not only you get the conceptual clarity of these two methods, at the same time, you will get clarity of what is interest on capital, what is interest on drawings. Okay? For partner, interest on capital income, interest on drawings expense. For firm, reverse. Interest on capital expense and interest on drawings income. Okay? Still, હજી વધારે base જોઈએ છે. Just go through the formats of P&L appropriation account and partners capital or current account. Try to go through that lectures. Yes. See, it is not required that today you are referring this lecture and next day you are referring this and day after tomorrow this, and this is the benefit of these lectures. Obviously every coin has two sides. Classroom live lectures hoy, the benefit is two-way communication. Online video lectures, that cannot be possible, two-way communication. But the benefit, every coin has two sides. So the benefit of online lectures you will get is you can go through past. Classroom ma એક મહિના પહેલાનો lecture revise ના થાય. But in online lectures, in video lectures, you will get this facility. You can go through that. Suppose this is lecture number 15, just for example, then you can go through lecture number 5, you can go through lecture number 2, you can go through lecture number 8, if you want to get additional clarity of concept. Okay? So for this, if you want to go, you can again refer the lectures in which we discussed P&L appropriation account and partners capital or current account. Clear? We discussed the comparison in both, that both are having inverse. If you remember, yes, whatever is debited in P&L appro must be credited in partners capital or current. So it's the same concept. Again, let's continue very quickly. P&L ratio 1:1:1 because it's not given. Interest on drawings, the biggest beneficial thing, the amount is already given. Mistake na chance khub ghati jai. Table showing rectification. The same pattern in all three. Wrong P&L ratio, interest on capital missed out, interest on drawings missed out. Three names, Lata, Deeta and Pravina. First of all, listen, increase in profit because it is a kind of benefit for the firm. Then interest on drawings, and then change. When benefit for the firm, profit for the firm, naturally that profit firm is going to distribute in partner. Now you may feel that how this 5,400 comes. Sometimes someone may say that first you should do this. No, it's not required. This amount is already given now. You wrote over here. So you can do total over here also. Okay. So that 5,400 you can distribute in this. No need to write this. You can do with the help of calculator also. So 5,400 we distribute in P&L ratio 1:1:1. So 1800, 1800, 1800. Please do the total once. So calculation error can be minimized. Then obviously the interest on drawings, the amount already given 2,700, 1,200, 1,500. Now partner will receive 1800. That is, Lata will receive 1,800 due to rectification, and Lata has to pay 2,700 because interest on drawings is an expense for Lata. Okay. In the same way, Geeta receive 1,800, has to pay 1,200, and Pravina receive 1,800, has to pay 1,500. So net 18 minus 27 comes to minus 900. Here plus 600, here plus 300. Overall 5,400, 5,400. So net change minus 900 and plus 900. So overall 0. It must be 0. Last time also I said the same thing. Clear? After showing this calculation, a normal rectification entry. Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit, everything. Nothing new. Again the same rule, minus must be debited. So, Lata's capital account debited to Geeta's capital account to Pravina's capital account. In Geeta's column plus 600, so on credit side, in Pravina's 300, so credit side again plus. Is that clear? Comparatively a little bit easier than interest on capital. Why is it so? Because amount is already given. Now, if they are not going to give the amount, then you can calculate it like the previous question. Okay? That's not a big issue for you people. Just go through it properly. The similar kind of question, illustration 8 of your textbook, which you are going to solve afterwards. You are going to solve, mind well. Okay? 3 methods of rectification. Wrong P&L ratio, interest on capital missed out, interest on drawings missed out. Do solve this in your notebook and compare with interest on capital to get the conceptual depth of both the interest on capital and interest on drawings. Okay? Just go through it properly. Before I end this, before I end this, do you find anything wrong in this? No. Think twice. Anything wrong? No. Nothing wrong, don't worry. But, see, that's why I did like this, huh? If you do like this, I can, if I want, I can cut your half mark. Yes. It's all depends on me. Me means the paper checker. Okay? What we missed out, everything is perfect, no problem. We missed out writing narration over here. Okay? B. Please don't forget to write it. I did it intentionally. That whether you are having that click or not. What the narration should be? Very simple. interest on drawings left to be recorded. You can write interest on drawings not recorded, now rectified. Whatever the mistake is there, comma, now rectified is the sentence of narration. Okay. So after writing that, please do write it in your notebook. After writing that, we can say now our question or now our solution rather is 101% proper and can fetch full 3 marks in our bank of mark sheet. Okay. So now go through it very carefully.